Okay, let's see what's happening to the NGX. It was up at intraday 0.05% at 165,483 points. Lost that 166,000 points yesterday after we saw that more than 0.5% drop from profit taking from investors. Now we see South Africa, we see the GSC is also in the green, 0.4%. Let's look at Kenya, Egypt and Kenya, how they traded. EGX 30 at intraday. Egypt, however, is close to yesterday, 0.9%. At 46,462, and Kenya traded on Thursday or 0.55% up. But let's check in what's happening on the floor of the exchange, and we have Ambrose Omodion, the Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consulting, to join us and give us more on that. Good afternoon, Ambrose. It's good to have you join us.
Thanks for having me.
Ambrose, what's driving trade? We know profit taking is necessary in the market, but what really drove that dip yesterday? It was more than expected, wasn't it?
If you say more than expected, that means, how will I say, market, anytime, anywhere, we expect to see profit taking, position taking, and these are the lines of market anywhere in the world. Markets have kind of side-traded for almost like, 5 trading days. Give me an insight that market is already consolidating, waiting for a breakout or a fake out. What also yesterday was profit taking, pulling the market down. Even at this hour, market is still missed. We're seeing buyers more than the sellers in the market, just because people are waiting for what alternative account to come in a moment from now. Well, I've seen few of them that hit the market, and those are giving insight what we expect from different sectors. That from next week, we expect more results that will not prepare investors what to do between now and the end of the quarter.
Fact for, say, stocks. What stocks in particular are driving the positive momentum or positive sentiments we're seeing at intraday? Can you name some of them?
Yeah, for me, I see the life of CWG, see the life of other good companies, especially mid-cap companies and low caps are the one dominating the market. But before now, I'll see that high caps are push our market to where it is today. But I believe that the more we see the earnings, there is you can see also high cap moving the market. As we speak now, the life of CWG, the life of Zenith Bank, and others are the one pushing the market right now. But if you look at the flip side of the market as we speak right now, also seeing profit taking in some of the companies that rally, like E-Cell, the life of First Good Code, and others are the one in the red as we speak now. But for me, there's no need for any investor or trader in the market to panic. But anytime you see that earnings are around the corner, there's all kind of post-war shuffling, sector rotation will continue for investors to prepare for these numbers. For me, it's the right time to buy into value, especially as I to say, most companies will pay dividend. We have seen the history of this company performance in terms of their quarter result in 2025. Now that we're seeing the unaudited account from this company, that's why I said between now and end of the quarter, investors don't know what to do by what. Buy into people are going to pay them good dividend. It's also going to rally in terms of a capital appreciation. There's no cause for alarm. I believe that the tension at the global scene is reduced because of the political tension or trade tension are slightly not slowing down because of at the outcome of the world economic forum. We just had recently, for me, there's no cause for alarm in our market.
We just saw on Tuesday a newly listed company, that's Zichis, an agro-processing, agro-allied company. What can you tell us about Zichis? What potential? Because we saw yesterday the rally at intraday. Is this something, a stock for us to be watching?
Actually, in our market here, we are not surprising new listed companies, moving in up direction. That is the nature of the market. Now they are new listed. We need to rally for a few days or weeks, pulling back. But investors are able to buy at the first listing day. Take your profit. But for those that are not there, don't panic or don't complain that we are missing out. We expect that the market will trade the stock where it belongs, especially after seeing the numbers from this company to tell us where they are going. But it's good that they are listing a good sector. They have a sector. That is not a yes at the rally. But it's the performance that price feed on anytime, any day. Market sentiment cannot take you for too far. But when your fundamentals are right, your earnings are right, market will also value you.
I'll definitely keep an eye on that. So in one word, what are we closing at today? Green or negative? Red?
Yeah, actually, I see the market closing in marginally red.
Marginally red. Okay, Ambrose. Yes. I do hope it flips and knocks you in the face. Thank you so much, Ambrose Omodion, Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consulting, for joining us on Business Incorporated.